This is completely random.com day at the Bergs.
What are we making? My other mic broke, and this is what we're going to use. It's pretty cool, though. I can hear everything.
By the way, I crack up at you guys who comment about Dr. Berg being so serious and like I'm the Fruit Loop. This look at him. Look at him.
What is she talking about?
He's hysterical. Okay. Oh, and by the way, this is Charlie. He's
shrunk.
He was getting a little big, and so we decided to
put him in the dryer.
Put him in the dryer. That was good. Okay, so this is a really fascinating recipe. These are actually cauliflower wraps because we're doing the cruciferous recipes, right?
Yeah, totally.
So I really doubted this recipe. I made it, and I'll be darned, it actually makes a completely foldable, holds together wrap that you can
awesome.
Make a sandwich with or have a taco or anything. I didn't think it was possible. I was doubting it, and I was wrong. This actually is a great little wrap. I even made a little sandwich. You want to try a little sandwich?
Yeah, I want to try it.
And I'll, oopsie.
Whoops. This is really going to be a big hit.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Especially for people that like bread.
Unbelievable.
Cauliflower. Who would ever think that?
Who would have thunk it?
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm. I'm really surprised, but it was very, very easy. Cauliflower is one of these things that just sort of morphs. It's kind of like tofu. You know, you can takes on flavors, and it's this great consistency.
Yeah.
Clearly.
It's another way to consume cruciferous. We're trying to get everyone to consume more. So
right. So not only can you consume more cruciferous, but you have a bread replacement basically. If you like to have a sandwich or taco shell, I think, or I mean, you could just get creative. Or
they don't break.
I am so impressed. I mean, we've barely started to experiment with these. Maybe you'll see, I don't know, maybe we can do like crepes with whipped cream and chocolate or something. I always go right to the dessert menu, right?
Maybe.
But with eggs, as you know, stick an omelet in there, give your kids a little wrappy.
Yeah, why not?
What do you think? What do you think, Charlie?
Yeah.
Num, num, num. Charlie likes it.
All right, let's go right into show you how the how-to.
The how-to
part.
How-to part.
Yeah.
Roger that.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.